In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal and QuickBooks Online. To do this, simply log into your QuickBooks Online account. After successfully accessing your QuickBooks Online homepage, what we're going to do first is to connect PayPal and our QuickBooks. By doing this, we are going to utilize the integration tool. So on the upper right corner, simply navigate to the dots icon in here. And this will allow you to visit apps wherein you can integrate those applications onto your QuickBooks Online. So in here, simply click the Find Apps link. And this will direct you to the list of applications that you can connect onto your QuickBooks Online account. Simply locate PayPal in here. After successfully locating PayPal, simply click the Get App Now. I cannot fully demonstrate this as I am only using a demo company, so this does not allow me to actually integrate PayPal application onto this demo account. But after clicking that, you can successfully log in to your PayPal account when prompted, then authorize the connection between PayPal and QuickBooks. By doing this, you have now successfully connected your PayPal as well as your QuickBooks into one. With this, you can add your PayPal into sales, fees, refunds, and payouts. And that's about it. That's how to use PayPal and QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.